Hi guys, Breno, it's here again. Again, we got the 23rd of January 2026. We're going to do another pH test as part of AHC SOL 304. Implement soil improvements for gardening beds and turf. I've got here in this little garden bed. I've got a hydrangea which has got blue flowers, so I've actually been treating this with aluminium sulfate. Aluminum, that's American. Aluminium sulfate, so that's what helps make these hydrangeas blue, which indicates a good acidic soil, which is good, because some of these hydrangeas in the same garden bed are pink, so there could be a bit of a mix. I know what's under there is a bit of clay. I've actually put some compost and some mulch over this garden bed in the previous years. Also got is a pyrus, which doesn't seem to be flowering. So it may indicate that the soil is too acidic for the pyrus to actually give me any flowers. So without further ado, what I'll do is probably do another pH test on this soil, and I'll do a quick soil texture test as well. So we'll go ahead and do that. Got a lot of rooty matter here, which is probably coming from both plants. It's right in between the two, the pyrus and the hydrangea. We're well within the root zone now. What I'm looking at is all the roots for the plant. And that's where I'll get my soil sample from. I'll show you the roots that we're talking about. So there's the roots. So obviously we're in the root zone. That's where I'm going to take my sample from. Again, I'm counting on this to be slightly acidic. Paste that now, I think. No. It's a bit better, more of a paste. We'll give this a minute. Powder's in there. No, so again I can sort of see nearly straight away it's gone straight to a neutral colour, so it's gone straight to a sort of army colour, sort of green, which is a good sign. camera so you guys can see the result of the test. Again, with the dappled light here in this garden bed and with this film, it's quite hard to see the colour difference between the film and real life. But what I reckon I've got, it's not quite a real dark grey 7.5, it's more a neutral, it's probably between a 6.5 and a 7. It's not quite the lighter green of a 6, although that's what might look like on camera. It's probably between a 6.5 and a 7, which is okay. It's probably better for the Pyrus. And as indicated before, the bluer sort of flowers on the hydrangea indicate that that's quite acidic soil that's in, so that's good to see. Look, it probably doesn't need heaps of improvement, but there's always room for improvement. We could probably add a bit of sulphur to this soil, but in this case it's also quite moist, which I also neglected to mention. It's obviously had a bit of a drink recently with the irrigation I've got here. So we'll go ahead and do a soil texture test on this same soil.